In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Microsoft Teams. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board you want to connect with Microsoft Teams. This is important because power-ups are added at the board level, so make sure you're opening the correct board before you continue. After the board loads, look for the Power-Ups option. Click that, and then choose Add Power-Ups. This will open the Power-Ups directory, where you can search for integrations and extra features for your Trello board. Next, click into the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. As the results appear, select Microsoft Teams from the list. Be sure you're choosing the correct integration so you can link Trello with Teams properly. Once you open the Microsoft Teams Power-Up page, click Add. This adds the integration to your Trello board. After that, click Configure. At this point, Trello will take you over to the Microsoft Store to continue the setup. That's normal, so just follow the prompt. In the Microsoft Store page, click Get It Now. You may be asked to sign into Microsoft Teams if you're not already logged in. Go ahead and complete the sign-in process when prompted. For security, always make sure you're signing into your official Microsoft account in the correct browser window before approving anything. Once you've logged in successfully, your Microsoft Teams account will now be connected to Trello. That's the main setup complete, and the integration should be ready to use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this stage, it's a good idea to return to Trello and double-check that the power-up was added correctly to your board. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page and open the Power-Up section again. In many cases, that's all it takes to make the connection appear properly. Also remember that some workplace Microsoft accounts may have admin restrictions. If you click through everything correctly but still can't finish the setup, your organization may require approval before the integration can be enabled. In that case, you may need to contact your Teams or Microsoft 365 administrator. And that's it. You've connected Trello to Microsoft Teams, and you're ready to keep your collaboration and task tracking more connected in one workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.